In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix website. To get started, go to wix.com and click Get Started. This will take you into the setup process, where you can begin creating your site from scratch. If you are new to Wix, this first part is very straightforward and designed to help you get online quickly. Next, create your account and select your website's industry. Choosing the right industry helps Wix show you features, layouts, and design suggestions that fit the kind of website you want to build. This can save time and make the setup process much easier, especially if you are building a business site, portfolio, blog, or online store. After that, choose a template layout or begin designing the site. A template gives you a ready-made structure, which is helpful if you want a faster starting point. If you prefer more control, you can customize the design to better match your style and goals. Once your template is open, start editing the text, images, and branding colors using the drag-and-drop editor. This is one of the easiest parts of Wix because you can click directly on sections and make changes visually. Replace the sample text with your own content, upload your images, and choose colors that match your brand so the site feels consistent and professional. Then use the Pages sidebar to structure your site's navigation. This is where you create and organize pages like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Keeping your navigation clear helps visitors move through your site easily and find the information they need without confusion. When the desktop version looks good, click the mobile icon to adjust and optimize the layout for phones. This step is important because many people will visit your site on a mobile device. Make sure text is readable, images fit properly, and buttons are easy to tap. Before going live, click Preview to test the links and overall functionality. Take a moment to move through the site like a visitor would. Check that pages open correctly, menus work, and the design looks polished. Finally, click Publish to make your website live. Once you publish, your site becomes available online for others to view. At that point, you will have a complete Wix website ready to share. That covers everything you need to know.